Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator on your PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the Google Authenticator page for Google Play, and as you may know, we cannot install it on our PC directly. But there is a solution. Once you search for Google Authenticator on PC, there is going to be this link right here, which is going to be authenticator.cc. Click on it. This is going to be a general authenticator app that you can directly install on your browser as a Chrome extension. So click on Add to Chrome and it's going to send you to this page. Once you click on Add to Chrome right here, click on Add Extension. And so from here, once it loads, it's going to redirect you to this page, just telling you about the information for it. Now, once you click on it, as you can see, this is going to be a new page right here. And so you're going to click on either scan QR code, where if you have a QR code on the screen for any website, then you can just simply scan it. Or what you can do is you can go to it. Then from here, you're going to go to this pen right here, and then you're going to click on the plus sign. Once you go to the plus sign, you can see multiple options, including manual entry, scan QR code, or import QR images. Now what you can do is click on the import QR images. And on your phone, you can see from the Google Authenticator application, you can simply click on the three dots, and then from here, going to click on transfer codes. Now it's going to give you an option where you can export the codes or import the codes. Click on export the codes, and then from here, once you verify your phone, it's going to show you which codes you would like to export. So you can select whichever one you would like, and then once you do that from here, you can click on start and then next. And as you can see, this is going to be the QR code which you're going to use. So you can either screenshot it or you can send it as a picture from here to your computer. And then you're going to get the import QR codes right here. And then you're going to select whatever picture that you have sent from your phone to your computer. And then once you click on QR code authenticator and then click on open, it's going to say that the extension authenticator has success. And so from here, once you go back to it and click on it, then as you can see, we have the authenticator working and we have the code running. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.